Hello, this is George Senda, the real official, one and only authentic, original, the guy from Pittsburgh. Accept no cheesy substitutes, imposters, or cheesy YouTube commentators. You should only be watching the real, the guy from Pittsburgh on YouTube. Alright, we have the original box, which shows you what this is supposed to look like. And with a bit of difficulty, because I really can't see very well up close, but I got the top half done. There's the top half, all screwed together. The biggest problem with these, this had little rubber shims or plastic shims. They keep trying to bounce off the, or come off the metal edge. By the way, you could use this as one hell of a weapon. Even when you've just fused the ball, all this stuff screws on. Here's the bottom part. And I did it wrong the first time. I put these on wrong. I put these on the top one because I couldn't see very well. So now what we're going to do is put this in here. What doesn't quite make sense to me though is that there's no hole for this to go through, and yet they say it's supposed to go through here. So I don't understand this. There's no hole in this tube, and yet this is how the instructions say to assemble this, so I don't get it. But we will do what they say. So very odd. I'm going to get the instructions. Hold on a minute. I don't get this at all. This should not, there's nothing to hold this in. Not the way I would design something. Being an old assembler, I like to look at stuff and try to figure out how it would go without the instructions. Plastic clip, arrow sign upwards. I'm just curious. Upper hook, middle hook, lower hook. Well, I gotta, oh, here. Well, I just dropped the iPad.